How well do you know movie trivia? I like to go to beer tastings. What's your favorite type of beer? Let's have a DIY craft night. What's your favorite craft to make? I enjoy going to jazz clubs. Who's your favorite jazz artist? Let's have a picnic by the lake. What's your favorite lakeside activity? I like to go to astronomy events. Have you ever used a telescope? Let's have a board game marathon. What's your longest board game session? I enjoy going to wildlife sanctuaries. What's your favorite animal to observe? Let's have a tea tasting. What's your favorite type of tea? I like to go to meditation retreats. Have you ever been on a meditation retreat? Let's have a bowling night. Do you have a favorite bowling technique? I enjoy going to farmers markets. What's your favorite farmers market find? Let's have a beach cleanup day. Do you participate in environmental activities? I like to go to food truck festivals. What's your favorite food truck dish? Let's have a nature walk. What's your favorite aspect of nature? I enjoy going to historical sites. What's your favorite historical period? Let's have a cooking class. What cuisine would you want to learn to cook? I like to go to classical music concerts. Who's your favorite classical composer? Let's have a poetry writing session. Have you ever written poetry? I enjoy going to photography exhibitions. What's your favorite photography style? Let's have a game of charades. Are you good at charades? I like to go to TED Talks. What's the most inspiring TED Talk you've watched? Let's have a beach volleyball tournament. Can you play volleyball? I enjoy going to street fairs. What's your favorite street fair attraction? Let's have a DIY home decor day. What's your favorite home decor style? I like to go to live comedy shows. Who's your favorite stand-up comedian? Let's have a wine and cheese night. What's your favorite type of cheese? I enjoy going to art and craft fairs. What's your favorite handmade craft? Let's have a dance-off. What's your go-to dance move? I like to go to food and wine pairings. What's your favorite food and wine combination? Let's have a potluck brunch. What's your favorite brunch dish? I enjoy going to sculpture gardens. What's your favorite sculpture? Let's have a movie and popcorn night. What's your favorite type of popcorn seasoning? I like to go to science museums. What's your favorite science exhibit? Let's have a DIY fashion show. What's your favorite fashion trend? I enjoy going to aquariums. What's your favorite sea creature? Let's have a picnic in the mountains. What's your favorite mountain activity? I like to go to painting classes. What's your favorite painting style to learn? Let's have a music trivia night. How well do you know music trivia? I enjoy going to vintage shops. What's your best vintage find? Let's have a karaoke competition. What's your go-to karaoke song? I like to go to pottery classes. What's your favorite thing to make in pottery? Let's have a movie marathon at home. What's your favorite movie series? I enjoy going to wildlife safaris. What's your favorite safari animal? Let's have a DIY jewelry making day. What's your favorite type of jewelry to make? I like to go to indie film festivals. What's your favorite indie film? Let's have a beach barbecue. What's your favorite beach barbecue dish? I enjoy going to sculpture exhibits. What's your favorite sculpture exhibit? Let's have a photography contest. What's your favorite photography subject? I like to go to improv workshops. Have you ever participated in improv? Let's have a potluck dinner party. What's your signature potluck dish to impress guests? I enjoy going to wine and painting nights. What's your favorite painting theme? Let's have a dance party. What's your favorite dance genre? I like to go to cooking competitions. What's your signature dish for a competition? Let's have a beach bonfire and storytelling night. What's your favorite type of story to tell around a bonfire? I enjoy going to jazz and blues festivals. Who's your favorite jazz or blues artist? Let's have a DIY home improvement day. What's your favorite home improvement project? I like to go to science and technology expos. What's the coolest technology you've seen at an expo? Let's have a movie and trivia night. What's your favorite movie trivia category? I enjoy going to historical reenactments. What's your favorite historical period to see reenacted? Let's have a DIY candle making day. What's your favorite scent for homemade candles? I like to go to stand-up comedy open mics. Have you ever tried performing stand-up comedy? Let's have a tea and poetry night. What's your favorite type of tea to sip while enjoying poetry? I enjoy going to DIY craft fairs. What's the most unique craft you've seen at a fair? Let's have a beach photography day. What's your favorite beach photography subject? I like to go to language exchange meetups. How many languages do you speak? Let's have a DIY face mask day. What's your favorite natural ingredient for a face mask? I enjoy going to kite festivals. Have you ever flown a kite at a festival? Let's have a movie marathon with friends. What's your favorite movie to watch with friends? I like to go to photography workshops. What's the most valuable photography tip you've learned? Let's have a beach volleyball match. Are you competitive in sports? I enjoy going to craft beer tastings. What's your favorite craft beer? Let's have a DIY flower arrangement day. What's your favorite type of flower to include in arrangements? I like to go to poetry slams. Have you ever performed at a poetry slam? Let's have a picnic in a botanical garden. What's your favorite botanical garden feature? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? It's a beautiful day outside. It's a beautiful day outside. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? I enjoy reading books. I enjoy reading books. Have you ever traveled abroad? Have you ever traveled abroad? Cooking is a relaxing hobby. Cooking is a relaxing hobby. The sky is filled with stars at night. The sky is filled with stars at night. Do you like to listen to music? Do you like to listen to music? Learning a new language is challenging. Learning a new language is challenging. Cats are known for being independent. Cats are known for being independent. Summer is my favorite season. Summer is my favorite season. What's your favorite type of food? What's your favorite type of food? Exercise is good for both body and mind. Exercise is good for both body and mind. I enjoy going for long walks. I enjoy going for long walks. Coffee helps me start my day. Coffee helps me start my day. Rainy days make me feel cozy. Rainy days make me feel cozy. Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? I like to plant flowers in my garden. I like to plant flowers in my garden. Dogs are loyal companions. Dogs are loyal companions. Reading a good book is a great escape. Reading a good book is a great escape. What's your favorite movie genre? What's your favorite movie genre? I love the smell of fresh baked bread. I love the smell of fresh baked bread. Nature walks are a great way to relax. Nature walks are a great way to relax. Ice cream is my guilty pleasure. Ice cream is my guilty pleasure. Winter brings a blanket of snow. Winter brings a blanket of snow. Do you enjoy cooking at home? Do you enjoy cooking at home? I like to try new recipes. I like to try new recipes. What's your favorite childhood memory? What's your favorite childhood memory? Traveling allows you to explore new cultures. Traveling allows you to explore new cultures. Painting is a form of creative expression. Painting is a form of creative expression. Coffee or tea? What's your preference? Coffee or tea? What's your preference? Swimming is a refreshing way to exercise. Swimming is a refreshing way to exercise. I enjoy watching documentaries. I enjoy watching documentaries. Sunsets by the beach are breathtaking. Sunsets by the beach are breathtaking. Gardening is therapeutic for me. Gardening is therapeutic for me. I like to take photos of nature. I like to take photos of nature. Have you ever tried skydiving? Have you ever tried skydiving? Baking cookies is a fun activity. Baking cookies is a fun activity. Music festivals are lively events. Music festivals are lively events. I love the sound of raindrops on the roof. I love the sound of raindrops on the roof. Yoga helps me stay flexible. Yoga helps me stay flexible. I appreciate a good cup of tea. I appreciate a good cup of tea. Skiing is an exhilarating winter sport. Skiing is an exhilarating winter sport. What's your favorite holiday destination? What's your favorite holiday destination? Stargazing is a calming activity. Stargazing is a calming activity. Art museums showcase incredible talent. Art museums showcase incredible talent. Going for a run energizes me. Going for a run energizes me. I like to keep a journal. I like to keep a journal. Beach vacations are my favorite. Beach vacations are my favorite. I enjoy attending live concerts. I enjoy attending live concerts. Hiking trails offer beautiful scenery. Hiking trails offer beautiful scenery. Do you have a favorite book genre? Do you have a favorite book genre? Meditation helps clear my mind. Meditation helps clear my mind. I love the smell of rain. I love the smell of rain. Trying new cuisines is an adventure. Trying new cuisines is an adventure. I like to collect seashells. I like to collect seashells. Camping under the stars is magical. Camping under the stars is magical. I enjoy solving puzzles. I enjoy solving puzzles. What's your favorite type of music? What's your favorite type of music? Chocolate, chocolate or vanilla? Which do you prefer? Chocolate or vanilla? Which do you prefer? Road trips are a great way to explore. Road trips are a great way to explore. I like to watch sunrise and sunset. I like to watch sunrise and sunset. Roller coasters are thrilling rides. Roller coasters are thrilling rides. Nature has a calming effect on me. Nature has a calming effect on me. I like to create DIY crafts. I like to create DIY crafts. Do you have a favorite sport? Do you have a favorite sport? Rainbows after rain are mesmerizing. Rainbows after rain are mesmerizing. I enjoy trying new recipes. I enjoy trying new recipes. What's your go-to comfort food? What's your go-to comfort food? Picnics in the park are delightful. Picnics in the park are delightful. I like to take long walks on the beach. I like to take long walks on the beach. Board games are a fun way to bond. Board games are a fun way to bond. I appreciate a good sense of humor. I appreciate a good sense of humor. I like to visit historical landmarks. I like to visit historical landmarks. Hot cocoa is perfect in cold weather. Hot cocoa is perfect in cold weather. Do you enjoy dancing? Do you enjoy dancing? I like to learn new things. I like to learn new things. What's your favorite childhood game? What's your favorite childhood game? I enjoy attending outdoor concerts. I enjoy attending outdoor concerts. I like to watch documentaries. I like to watch documentaries. What's your favorite type of dessert? What's your favorite type of dessert? Gardening is a therapeutic hobby. Gardening is a therapeutic hobby. I like to visit farmers markets. I like to visit farmers markets. Swimming is a great workout. Swimming is a great workout. I enjoy photography as a hobby. I enjoy photography as a hobby. Do you have a favorite animal? Do you have a favorite animal? I like to watch the sunrise. I like to watch the sunrise. I enjoy bike rides in the park. I enjoy bike rides in the park. Autumn leaves are a beautiful sight. Autumn leaves are a beautiful sight. I like to have picnics in nature. I like to have picnics in nature. Reading poetry is a lovely pastime. Reading poetry is a lovely pastime. I like to explore new hiking trails. I like to explore new hiking trails. Playing board games is a fun activity. Playing board games is a fun activity. Ice cream cones on hot days are refreshing. Ice cream cones on hot days are refreshing. What's your favorite genre of movies? What's your favorite genre of movies? I enjoy birdwatching in the garden. I enjoy birdwatching in the garden. Winter holidays bring festive cheer. Winter holidays bring festive cheer.